Dinner party in 2 hours? No problem. Here's a fast thing you can do. About 20 people, you need about 3 pounds of pasta. And just dump it into this pan. Ideally something resembling the same shape. And then you just mix it up and dump some sauce on top, dry, crunchy dry. And then it'll bake in the oven, 375. Don't even need to preheat for about an hour covered. I'll show you the end when we're done. So this is a sauce made with 2 28-ounce cans of whole tomatoes, 2 6-ounce cans of tomato paste, and 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 15 ounces each, to 3 pounds of a short pasta. And you're just going to mix this up, hot sauce onto dry pasta, into a roasting pan, and then you smooth it out and cover it. The water from the tomatoes and the mirepoix for the sauce is going to cook your pasta and thicken at the same time, and you serve this almost like a baked ziti. I'm going to throw in some mozzarella cheese, and should be good to go. Okay, that's it. Just cover it with foil. 375, 45 minutes. Pull it off. Blowtorch or broil the top. 45 minutes. It's out of the oven. You take the cover off. It looks like this. Here's the test. Elizabeth, is it soft?
Yes.
Chew it. Let me see. Listen, everyone. No crunch. It's soft. It's